Are you ready, Chris?
I'm ready.
Nice, action.
Good morning. Welcome to Fast Lane Classic Cars. I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake. And this behind me is a 1968 Camaro. But this isn't just like any old Camaro. Oh, no, no, no. This Camaro's got a 489 cubic inch engine, 500 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque, Tremec 5-speed transmission, dual disc clutch, aluminum flywheel, 12-bolt rear end, 373 Richmond gears, Eaton Posi carrier, 15-inch Cragar SS Wheels, staggered tire widths, 4-wheel power disc brakes, 3-inch dual exhaust, power steering, air conditioning, aluminum radiator, and the exterior is ocean teal blue with blue interior, bucket seats, center console, and rally gauges. This is quite a car. This is a very well-built engine by a guy who really knew what he was doing. In fact, this car in 2019 did the Power Tour. If you don't know what that is, maybe Jake the Snake can add some B-roll of what that is.
There's lots of cars to see. There's so much to do.
Everybody loves hot rods. Everybody wants to just have fun.
There's lots of sponsors.
So many cool cars to see, and the venue.
And you know, if a car makes it through Hot Rod Power Tour, you know it's built correctly, because it's not easy to make it all the way through it.
It's not an easy situation. That's why we really are in love with this car, and so are the techs. As you can see, the trunk, amazing. Wonderful floor mats. Underneath the trunk, perfect stuff. Good stuff. Love the trunk.
Got some nice speakers back here you can see through the window.
So,
Infinity, they say.
Ah, you mean it goes on forever?
I guess so.
Good, good, excellent. And this interior, I don't know if it gets any better. It's like perfect.
Very original looking and
Love
very
the
blue.
originality.
Very blue.
Well, I hope you like blue, because if you don't like this car. Ice cube trays, I love that. Anyway, this car I cannot wait to drive. How about you, Jake?
I can't wait either.
Let's get going. Oh, wow. How's the clutch in this thing? Oh, very nice.
It's good. Sounds good.
Oh my goodness. This is the way all these cars should sound, let's be honest. Oh, there's a Corvette. We would eat that thing's lunch.
Yeah, no 68 Camaro.
This thing is amazing.
Drives really nice.
Yeah, it does. I mean, she's got power all over the place. Woo, boy. I'm not even trying.
Oh, goodness. I'd say the 500 horsepower number is probably accurate.
I think it's pretty right on.
And what did it say, 600 pound-feet of torque?
Yes. And this is, and it made the Power Tour, which completing that,
right.
That's an accomplishment. That's an engine builder right there.
Not just an engine builder, a transmission, a rear end.
Full car.
Has to be comfortable the whole time if you want it to be bearable.
Can you imagine?
And it is.
It is.
I can imagine, actually.
And we're living it. And the air conditioner does work, even though we got the windows down.
Yeah, it's a nice day. We don't really need it, but man,
does it sound good.
And you got back seats.
You do, for real back seats.
For real people.
Yes, real regular sized folks. Folksy folks.
Man, and plenty of blue.
Oh, well, if you're any more blue, it'd be like a sky.
And you got all your gauges down here that do work. Everything works in this thing, which is lovely. Your
fourth gear, 40 miles an hour, pulling about $2 grand.
There you go. Not bad.
It tells you.
You got your upgraded radio right here.
Which you gotta love on a long trip.
Oh yeah, paired with those nice speakers in the back.
Oh boy, this sound of this engine and the exhaust, it's a symphony. It is glorious.
But I mean, everything else in here looks very original. The shifter doesn't look out of place.
Nope, not at all.
Even though it's a 5-speed, it still looks like it should be there. And they upgraded the little H-pattern plaque.
Love that. But it looks period, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks period correct.
This car is fun.
If you didn't know anything about Camaros, you would never know that they didn't have a 5-speed, which is nice.
It is extremely nice, extremely fun car, you can already tell.
I told you.
I didn't even give it any. I gave it very little beans.
Yeah, that was about half throttle beans, and it tried to roast them pretty good in the second, didn't it?
I heard the noise. I'm like, I wonder who that is. It was me. It was this. Wow, this is a well-built car. Kudos to the builder. Bought the lovely trees.
It's time for a good old-fashioned startup, and yeah, I was about to mention, we're starting to get some yellowy orange trees, which means it's my favorite season of the year, fall.
The most wonderful time of the year. All right, here we
Ready for a good
go.
old-fashioned startup?
Oh, you're darn right I am.
All right, let me have that mic.
Oh, here you go.
Starts up immediately.